Hello students, how are you? Good morning to all of you. In my last class of Merchant of Venice, I was up to here. It was Act 2, Scene 2. Lancelot was talking with himself and we are up to here, Budge Not. Okay, so I'm just continuing this one. You please take out your books, page number 61. We are continue. Okay. So, budge not, says my conscience, say I, you, counsel well, fiend, say I, you counsel well. To be ruled by my conscience, I should stay with the Jew, my master, who, God bless the mark, is a kind of devil, and to run away from the Jew, I should be ruled by the fiend, who, saving your reverence, is the devil himself. Certainly, the Jew is the very devil incarnation, and in my conscience, but a kind of hard conscience, to offer to counsel me to stay with the Jew. The fiend gives the moral fiendly counsel. I will run, fiend, my heels are at your commandment. I will run. Now let's read the paraphrase first. So, Lancelot was quite in a dilemma. He was not in a situation to think that what he had to do. So, being my father, no, I must run. So, my father was prejudiced against roughish behavior. I must not run. Both my conscience and the devil counsel well. So, the devil is also telling me that you should have to run. If you are not enjoying my company, you should have to run. If I am to be guided by my conscience, then I should remain to serve the Jew, who is a devil himself. I should remain to serve the Jew because he is my master and I have served him for a long time and he provides me the food and everything for him, and I should not do a treachery with him. If I am to be counseled by the fiend, who, due to respect is a devil, advise me as a real friend. So, both of them, if he hurts both of the conscience, he is doing the wrong thing. So, that is the problem with him. My conscience too strict to advise me to remain with the present master, the Jew, the very incarnation of devil. To save myself from misfortune, I shall run. I shall take the advice of the devil and run away from the Jew. So he is not making out that what should he do? Should he run or should he stay? So if he stay with the Jew, then he will staying or he will helping the devil incarnation. Okay, but if he listen to his own conscience, that is also things to be devil, but it will not a devil incarnation, it will be wrong, but the sin is quite smaller to that in comparison with that. Okay, so go to the next page. Gobbo, enter old Gobbo with a basket. Old Gobbo is the father of Lancelot Gobbo. That means Lancelot Gobbo is the servant of Shylock and old Gobbo is his father. So he is entering the stage with a basket in his hand. So what is he telling Gobbo? Master, young man, you, I pray you, which is the way to master's Jew? He is asking like that because old Gobbo, the father of Lancelot, is half blind person. He is not able to see quite properly. So that is why he is asking for that. So he wants to know the way to Shylock's house, and he was unable to make out that with whom he is talking, because he had seen his own son before a long time, and after a long gap of time he is seeing him again, and that is why he is not making out the voice or the gesture or the look alike, because he is a half blind person and he is not making out that with whom he is talking. Lancelot aside, that means he is listening to himself, no one is listening about him. So that is why aside he is written here. O heavens, this is my true begotten father, who being more than sand blind, high gravel blind, knows me not. I will try confusions with him. So what is it trying to say? Oh heavens, this is my father in person. So my father physically has come here. He is almost blind. So he is looking that he is not able to see. He does not know me. That means he is not able to recognize me. I will have some fun with him. So let's make some fun with him. He decided to make fun with his own father. Gobbo, Master young gentleman, I pray you, which is the way to Master Zeus? So he is quite eager to go to the Shylock's house because he wanted to meet with his own son. So he wanted to know the way. Lancelot, turn upon him. Look how he is making some confusions with him. Lancelot, turn upon your right hand and at the next turning. Next turning, you have to turn right, but at the next turning of all on your left. Marry, at the very next turning, turn off no hand, but turn down indirectly to the Jew's house. So no meaning is coming out of these sentences, isn't it? So what did it wanted to say? Turn to your right at the next turning, then turn to your left, then walk straight to the Jew's house. So he's quite making confusions with him. So Gobbo is confused by listening this kind of sentences. He was not able to make out that what is this young man is telling to him. So Gobbo is telling, by God, Sontes, it will be a hard way to hit. Can you tell me whether one Lancelot that dwell with him or no? So in the name of the saints, that means the son of the god. The God had already always sent his messengers to our earth to rescue us. So that is why saints. In the name of the saints, it will be a bit difficult for me to find out the way which you are telling me. I am quite confused to listen this. Do you know of a young gentleman named Lancelot who lived with the Jew is still there or not? So do you know him? So Lancelot is telling, look, what did he tell? Talk you of young Master Lancelot. So, अच्छा, आप young Master Lancelot के बारे में बोल रहे हैं aside. Mark me now will I raise the water. That means high talking. बड़ा चढ़ा के बोलना, okay? Talk you of young Master Lancelot. Are you talking of young Master Lancelot? That means he is using master with Lancelot. He is no master. He is a servant. So why is he using the master? Because he is raising high. He is talking high about the person. Aside, just watch. I shall bring tears to his eyes. I will make him cry aloud. Are you talking of aloud? That means it is the old Gobbo is listening to him. Are you talking of young Master Lancelot? Gobbo, no master, sir. He is not a master. He is a servant. No master, sir, but a poor man's son. His father, though I say it, is an honest, exceeding poor man, and God be thanked well to live. So he is not a master, he is a poor man's son. His father is very poor, so why he will become a master? His father is very poor and honest and well off. So he is honest and his time is going well. If he is, and according to Gobbo, if he would be dishonest, then he would not be well off. Lancelot, well, let his father be what a will. We talk of young Master Lancelot. So we are talking about Master Lancelot. It matters little when his father is, what his father is. We are talking of young Master Lancelot. So again, he is referring Lancelot as master. But remember, Lancelot is not a master. So come to the next page. Gobbo, your worship's friend and Lancelot, sir. That means your worships. That means here he is referring to Shylock. Worship meaning Shylock. That means the sir or the master. Worships friend and Lancelot, sir. Sir, he is your friend, Lancelot. Lancelot. But I pray you, Argo, old man, Argo, I beseech you, talk you of young master Lancelot. Argo that means pray. But I pray you to, therefore, would you let me know? Are you talking of young master Lancelot? Again, he is referring to him as master. So Gobbo, of Lancelot, and please your mastership. Yes, sir, to please your honor, I am speaking of Lancelot. हाँ, मैं Lancelot की बारे में बात कर रहा हूँ, not of master. Lancelot. Argo master Lancelot, talk not of master Lancelot. What he is talking like this? Look, father, for the young gentleman, according to fates and destinies, and such odd sayings, the sisters three, and such branches of learning is indeed diseased, or as you would say in plain terms, gone to heaven. Oh my God, he is making him death. Lancelot is dead to him. So Lancelot, what is he telling? Do not talk of Master Lancelot. Old man, don't talk about him. It's very unfortunate happened with him. The young master to whom you have referred to is no more. He is no more in this earth. He had gone to heaven. By the decrees of fate or destiny, and in terms of similar other powers, the three sisters, the fortune teller, and other branches of learning, he is no more. He has gone to heaven. He had some diseases, and by that disease, he had gone to heaven. Next, Gobbo. Mary, that means he is remembering about Mother Mary. जैसे हम लोग बोलते हैं हे भगवान, तो like this. Mary, God forbid, the boy was the very staff of my age, my very prop. That means he was the support, main support. Prop or staff, that means a support, main support. So, in the name of Virgin Mary, the boy was the very support of my old age. So, how could this be happen to me? He was the only support of my old age. Heaven forbid that something alike should happen to him. Lancelot aside, do I look like a cudgel or a hobble post, a staff or a prop? So he's making fun that I am looking like a support, I am looking like a staff or a hobble post. Do you know me, father? You are not recognizing me, father. So what is the funny, not funny, what is the irony with my destiny? So, Gobbo, alack, the day I know you not. I don't know you, young gentleman, but I pray you, tell me, is my boy, God rest his soul, alive or dead? But you please don't make me confused. You please tell me that God rest his soul. If he is dead, then God rest his soul, that we always say rest in peace like this. He is alive or dead? Tell me clearly. He wanted to know clearly. Lancelot, do you know, father? You know something, father? Father, don't you recognize me? So, Gobbo, alack, sir, I am sand blind. I know you not. Yes, I am not recognizing you because I am a blind person. I can't see anyone clearly. Lancelot, nay, indeed, if you had your eyes, you might fail of knowing me. It is a wise father that knows his own child. Well, old man, I will tell you news of your son. Give me your blessing, kneels. That means he is kneeling down. So, let us see what he is trying to say. No, sir, if you had the eyes to see, if you had the eyes, that means if you have your inner eyes. Because when we heard about something, some sounds of our near and dear ones, we can easily recognize that person. And if you are my father, if you recognize my sounds, my symbols and signs, then you have recognized me easily. So you are not a wise father, is meaning to say that you are not a wise person. You would not have failed to recognize me. A wise father only can recognize his own son. Well, old man, I shall give you the news of your son. I will give you the news of your son. Then he is kneeling down in front of the old man. So what he is trying to tell? Next page. Truth will come to light. Murder cannot be hid. Truth will come to light. Murder cannot be hid long. If someone commits a crime like murder, it cannot be hidden long. The person can hide it for some time, for a certain period of time, but not for a long period of time. And and truth will come to the limelight. A man's son may, but in the end, truth will out. So, in the end, the truth will come out. Give me your blessings. Truth will always come to light. Even murder cannot be concealed for long. It may be possible for a man's son to hide for some time. At the end, the truth will be revealed. But it will be revealed. So we are ending up here today. Okay. So next day, I will carry on with the next thing. And when our Act 2 Scene 2 will complete, I will go with the question answers. Okay. Thank you.